In a quaint little town, a girl named Lily finds solace in her favorite park, where every page of her book seems to come alive under the golden sun, but little does she know that her life is about to change forever. As Jack draws nearer, a spark ignites in the air. His friendly demeanor brings a smile to Lily's face, and in that moment, a connection begins to blossom between them. With each shared laugh and story, the bond between Lily and Jack deepens as the world around them fades away, leaving only the magic of newfound friendship. As they stroll under the fading sunlight, playful moments like these unveil the tender feelings growing in their hearts, marking the beginning of a beautiful love story. Under the starry sky, the simple joy of a picnic transforms into something more profound, as Lily and Jack realize that this moment is just a glimpse of the love that awaits them. In that fleeting moment, as their hands meet and hearts race, they both understand that this is just the beginning of a love story they will cherish forever.